let's go back to the boyfriend thing.
Oh, I'm having an affair with my
Yeah, I know.
little dog. Oh, Venice, you be good boy. The male dog, he's very protective of me when he's on my lap, when we're watching television. He's like my little boyfriend. He follows me everywhere. He sleeps with me. He goes for rides with me. He's the dog I do the most with. Thank you.
What about the bed?
Basically,
Because she says, you know, that's my little boyfriend, right?
yep,
And so that you're the husband.
yep.
So that's
He-
kind of
Yeah, it is. It's unusual. He
not
will never-
unusual, unhealthy.
Unhealthy. This wasn't something that I chose to happen by no means. I didn't want the dogs to sleep with us initially when we first got them, but it just seemed to happen because Kimberly
They
left.
keep us very warm in the wintertime. They're like little heating bottles.
So let's go back to the boyfriend thing.
Oh, I'm having an affair with my
Yeah, I know.
little dog. Oh, Venice, you be good boy. That's Daddy. That's bad, but I love him. I love both of them. Do I have to choose?
It's not about choosing, it's about position. The humans, the pack leaders, including the kids, and then the dog's followers.
Okay. Stop it.
I mean, for your husband not to be able to touch you,
You gonna be a good boy? It's pretty bad.
it's pretty bad. I'm really happy you don't have a Rottweiler. This guy would have
He'd have one arm.
Yeah, like, this is the husband, the only boyfriend.
That's right.
Okay, so first time ever meeting a pack of Chinese crested. Believe it's also for Junior. But obviously, we're not here to meet the breed. We're here to evaluate the energies and to see who is the instigator. I know we have a name, but I want to meet it on my own. Come on. I never experienced so much barking, you know, coming from Chinese crested. I just got this annoying feeling, you know, it's like, oh, wow, how can you live with this, you know? Now we have somebody using the bathroom over there. All right, now we're meeting the reality. I'm sure. Frantic. I'm always reading from an animal point of view. What would an animal do in a moment of uncertainty? They settle, they relax. This dog never settled down. Venice was the one who was showing, you know, that he's in control of the pack, and Venice is the father, so he has the right as a dominant one, and he has a right as a father, you know, to behave this way. Just walking there, sir. That made him the man of the house in a way, so he's just taking over his own pack plus the human pack. So he has two pack. Hey, pretty annoying. Let's do the couch.
Okay.
Venice was dominant one, but insecure. That's a problem, you know? Those are the ones that bite. I wanted to make sure that I take his biggest power, which is taking over Miss Kimberly. Don't hold them back.
Now?
Don't touch. Wait, there we go. There we go. I'm just gonna go and clean right there. You see it? So never hold back when he's barking.
Just let him go.
You let it go because if you hold back, that creates more aggression.
See, I was holding back because I didn't want him to bite someone.
But that's actually how dog fights are created. They hold dog back and then let him go.
Then they explode. Okay. So I
A
was
dog
making it
needs a
worse by
support.
holding on to him.
Yeah, but the way I did it, I was not hesitant about it. I just went and sit down right next to you.
Yeah, you're not gonna let him push you around.
No?
I would like to see Bill try to sit next to me in that situation.
Yeah. So there's no negotiations here. You know, I'm not gonna go around. I'm just gonna go straight to what he is.
Okay.
Go for it, Bill.
There you go. You can hug.
Me.
No, her.
Me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he's going clean.
yeah.
That's right.
Yeah, he normally wouldn't be this way. He's being very, very good.
Don't pull back. So, yeah, so don't go.
So now we put him down. Should I put him down now since he's misbehaving?
That's another way of this. You're removing him from the pack. We have already give you many warnings, and you're not listening. So now you're out of the
Calm
pack.
down.
Oh, okay.
When you remove a pack member from the pack, it's like the worst correction or discipline you can do to any dog. They feel lost. They're like dead. So when you grab a dog from your lap and you move him away, this is what you're doing.
No.
In order for him to re-enter, you have to be very submissive.
Looks kind of calmed down now.
But the energy is getting better.
Come here.
So this is how you prevent aggression. You keep them calm. What do you think, guys? What are you seeing different in this picture?
Got his ears are back, and I guess that means that he's listening. Usually his ears are always up.
Good observation. That's the beauty of what we do. You know, every once in a while we find a kid that has instincts. And they just come out with the right solutions, with the right reading, with the right approach. And Kylie is one of those kids. Nice.
Thank you, Kylie.
Beautiful. Whew.
I like paying attention and learning things. So, like, if I was not even listening when Cesar was telling my parents what to do, he probably wouldn't have told me, and then my parents would forget to and stuff.
That one was absolutely better. So
Yeah.
doorbell means what?
Doorbell means Xanax. It means calm down. Get calm before, and get the dogs calm before I answer the door.
That's right.
Yeah, I got it.
Venice's bad behavior continues when Kimberly and Cesar take him for a walk.
Which way? This way?
Yes. There they are.
Oh, there you go. All right, so I need the view. Hey. First, I'm gonna snap him out. All that. It was an explosion at the beginning. My touches are not working. The correction on the leash is not working. So I said, okay, let's go back to basics. Hold it right there. You have to give the rear, you have to show manners before the other dog. So don't worry if the other dog is not showing good behavior or polite behavior, you will. So that creates a shock. So here, this whole shaking thing is because you're stopping the brain from fighting and asking the brain to surrender. I mean, this is little dogs, skinny dogs, right? So it's super easy. It's simple. Because we think, well, how strong can they be? They become strong when your mind becomes weak. That's the only way. Hey, that is, he's unsure about how just to be relaxed, right? So now I am telling him, come and meet him.
And now you're going to allow it on your terms.
Right.
Okay, yeah, we'll take care of that.
These dogs can poop.
Yeah.
They've been pooping the whole day. Your boyfriend is confused.
Well, we broke up. He's my ex-boyfriend. I'm done with him.
I'm glad because he's insecure. Miss Kimberly said, well, we just broke up. It was, I know it's a joke, it's funny, but you hear the sincerity behind. You know, I'm ready to do whatever is best for the whole pack. Nice. Better. Better?
Yeah, doing good.
Don't look at the ground, just look up. Yeah, shoulders
Okay.
up, that's right. Now you just passed right her.
No problem.
Okay.
When I was walking all of my dogs, I couldn't believe that I actually did that with Noelle, the neighbor's dog, watching us. I still can't believe that just happened.
So what you're controlling right now is excitement.
Everything he asked me to do made sense now that I knew what my dog was thinking. It made me understand the animal better, so I knew what to do.
Daddy,
Look at
go.
this guy, this is good.
That's probably the first time I can tell you I have ever walked them all. I don't think I've ever walked all them dogs together ever.
Neither have I. We'll have to try that again sometime.
Yeah. I mean, I think it looks positive. There is a way to deal with the dogs when they misbehave, and we got to work as a team together and try to get them under control as a family.
Thank you very much for the challenge. Hopefully you use your miles. If you don't, just give it to me.
I think we'll be able to use some of those miles, absolutely.
Yeah, we do
And if
have...
not, I'm going to use them. No, I'm just kidding.
No, you can't use them without me. See what teamwork can do? Now that I have the tools that Cesar's given me, I think we're gonna be fine.
There we go. Now we got a bag.
These things have a lot of poop inside. Maybe they don't have a lot of hair, but they have a lot of poop. I am the dog whisperer.